My name's Glenn Halsey. I'm an admissions recruiter for the state of Wyoming here with WyoTech. WyoTech has long had a summer seminar program here at the campus. It gives a chance for our high school instructors across the nation to spend 2 to 3 days here on the WyoTech campus, meeting our instructors, seeing our facilities, kind of learning a flavor of the school and whether their students would be a good fit here. It also gives them a chance to sharpen some of their skills.
As I'm teaching high school, I have to admit there's a separation from me and what's current in the industry, and that's kind of hard to just read about.
So it opens up these avenues for us that we might not have at home. There's no teacher training anywhere, right?
Teaching automotive, there's like very limited professional development opportunities in general.
We have done snap-on scan tool training, helping instructors figure out some of the diagnostic training. We've done courses in things like metal shaping, sheet metal working, a custom paint.
I'm learning a tremendous amount. You see what I got going on here. I'm in the paint booth right now.
Coming here and having the student experience at WyoTech is actually really fun for me. They have a lot of programs that are very hard to find, upholstery being one of them. I've literally never even heard of being able to go to school for upholstery. Like, I thought you only get to apprentice for that.
Typically, we start off with breakfast in the morning, introduction of staff, facilities, then a tour of our campus, then you're in the classrooms with the instructors. We get together once or twice for a meal during the event. You actually have time to sit down, discuss, and talk in a more informal setting.
Every minute I'm around these instructors, I can glean knowledge and experience. Even in our hangout times, eating lunch or between coats, I'm asking questions and I'm taking mental notes. I have my notebook as well. There's no stop to the learning.
I have always walked away with something here that I can go, oh, that's cool. I can't wait to get back and show this to my kids.
WyoTech Summer Seminars will conclude with a certification award to the participants, giving them additional PBETs, professional teaching experience credits. This helps you keep up-to-date training with your students because you've already got the certification.
And then I got my 619 certification for AC, which I would have had to pay for somewhere else. I got it for free here. That puts another thing into my classroom that I can do for my kids. Without that cert, I can't teach my kids AC.
To help high school instructors attend WyoTech Summer Seminar, we offer a stipend. The stipend is designed to cover your travel expenses and motel expenses while you're here in Laramie, leaving this a very low-cost opportunity for your instructors.
So I'm amongst all my peers who are all other shop teachers. I'm getting fed, I'm in Laramie, experiencing Wyoming, and I'm actually getting trained to do something that I want to take back to my students. So I think it's a complete package. I'll do it every summer, and I'll always enjoy it.
I would like to offer an invitation to you. If you're thinking of coming out to WyoTech seminars, make it happen. Apply through your local representative. You can contact us at wyotech.edu/seminar and make an application and see the courses we're offering for you this year.
You can't just look at a video, you can't read a brochure. The orientation you get from here is just phenomenal. Again, it's something you really have to come out and see.